In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install MetaTrader 4. If you're looking to get started with trading, or want to explore the features of this popular platform, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through this process step by step, making it as simple as possible for you to follow along. First things first, an account with a Forex or CFD broker is necessary to trade using MetaTrader 4. This platform provides access to the Forex markets, but you'll need a broker to facilitate your trades. Now, let's start by opening a brokerage account. Head over to your preferred broker's website and begin the registration process. Make sure to do your research to ensure the broker is reputable and fits your trading needs. During the registration process, you'll be asked to select your trading platform. It's important to choose MetaTrader 4, often abbreviated as MT4, to ensure you get the right setup for downloading later on. Once you've completed the registration, your next step will be downloading the platform itself. Your broker will either provide a direct download link via email or guide you through their client portal. When you receive the link or find the download section on your broker's website, download the .exe installation file to your computer. This file is crucial, as it contains everything needed to install the MetaTrader 4 program. After the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. There, you'll find the installation file. Go ahead and double-click on it to run the installation process. At this point, your system might prompt you to allow this app to make changes to your device. This is a standard security check, so it's okay to allow the changes. Afterward, you'll encounter the license agreement. Take a moment to read through it, ensuring you understand the terms outlined. Once satisfied, go ahead and accept it. Now, here's a small decision point. If you wish to change where MetaTrader 4 is installed on your computer, click on Settings before proceeding. Otherwise, you can simply click Next, sit back, and let the installation work its magic. The process is usually fast, but this can vary depending on your device's performance. Once installed, MetaTrader 4 will launch automatically. You'll see the terminal's main screen, but before you start diving into trading, you need to log in. Enter the account number, password, and server details provided by your broker during the registration phase. These details are crucial for accessing your account. And finally, if you're just starting out and not ready for live trading yet, consider opting for a demo account. This gives you a fantastic opportunity to familiarize yourself with the platform without any financial risk. With a demo account, you can practice and get comfortable, readying yourself for when you're prepared to trade with real capital. And that's it. You're now ready to explore and trade using MetaTrader 4. Happy trading!